everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to add friends in NYT Games application. To add friends on NYT Games, launch open the NYT Games app on your mobile device, or you may also go to the NYT Games website on your desktop. Either way, make sure that you're signed into your account, and after you are in, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, click on the plus button with two human icons at the top right, and this will then take you to this Invite a Friends tab. Click on Invite a Friend button and simply go ahead and tap on Copy button to copy your invitation link. After you've copied your invitation, you can then go ahead and share the invite link to your friend via social medias. You can also go ahead and open up your SMS app, select a contact and paste in the link that you just copied. After you paste in the link, you will then be able to see this automated generated link. In the to box, type in the name of the contact you are trying to invite or add, and then tap the send button to send in the message to them. After sending in the invitation link, once the person you want to add receives the request and accepts it, you will be able to see their game activity and compete with them in NYT Games. So that's how you can easily add your friends and get playing on NYT Games. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe for more NYT Games tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.